Hi everyone! Today we're going to be learning about range in Python. So here we go! So over here you can see another program. At the top as usual is what we're going to learn today. Then the rules, and lastly the program. So today we'll be learning about range. And I'll just bring this a little bit of it down here. So today we'll be learning about range. So there are three types of range. So the first one is range and value. So this by default considers the starting point as 0. So by default, this type of range considers the starting number as 0. So over here you can see that 0, 10 is the same thing as just writing 10 because the starting point is 0 according to this. So when I run this, it prints the digits from 0 to 9, and 10 is excluded out of this list. And as you can see, it's taken 0 as default. Next, we've got range, start value, and end value. This creates a sequence based on the start and stop value. So, for example, when I run this, I'll just comment these out and comment this out. Okay, so now when I run this, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So again, it's excluded the last number, but it started from 5 this time because I've said 5. I have not just left it like this. This would basically mean it starts from 0, as you can see over here. So you can basically say, suppose 9, comma, yeah. Next is just obviously 9 because it excludes the last number. So the result of this is 9. That's basically the range, start value, and end value. So you have to write the start value and the end value. And lastly, we have range, start value, end value, and step size. It basically generates the value by incrementing the start value using the step size until it reaches the stop value. So if I just comment this and comment this and uncomment this and this, yeah. Now when I run it, so it's basically incrementing as it says over here, so it's generating the values by incrementing. So it's automatically incrementing. And then it started from 50 because it's start value, so it starts with 50. Then the end value is 1000, and the step size is basically 100. So basically what this means is that the start number is 50 and the end value is 1000. Again, it's excluding the end point, and the step size is 100. And that basically means that it's gonna be skipping 100 and then saying the next. So for example, 50 it started, then it added 100 and went to 150. Then it added another 100 and it went to 250. Then 350, 450, 550, 650, 750, 850, and 950. But as you can see, it's excluded this 1000 over here. We can change the step size. So we can say suppose 10, then it's much longer list. So I'll go to the top. So 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110. So it's basically going by tens. But it will be even longer list if I change it to 1. Because it will go all the way to 999. But it's again gonna skip the 1000. But if you want to have the 1002, then you have to put 1001. So like this, it says, so it starts from, okay, we can just use this, yeah. So it starts from 50 because my start point is 50, and then it goes all the way to 1000 because it does minus 1. So 1001 minus 1 is 1000. So it goes until 1000. And you can also change this beginning part, so you can change it to say 0. Now it's gonna go properly from 0 to all the way to 1000. And we can also try changing this, so you can basically fiddle around with this as much as you want. So 0 to 99, because it's excluding this is doing 100 minus 1, which is 99.